Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my video for part 4 of my redoing my room series. So today I actually got a bunch of decorations and stuff. So that's what we've got for today. And as you can see, I took down this wall because I'm going to be selling it if you guys want it. I have all the pictures right here. It's a bunch of them. And then I also got this like super adhesive tape. It's on my Poshmark. My Poshmark's listed down below if you guys are interested in buying it. But like I said, today I have a bunch of decorations and stuff, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys what all I have, and then we're gonna get started with like putting it up. All right, my eyesight's not the best, and I don't have my glasses on right here, and I don't have my contacts in. So if I'm squinting or anything like that, sorry. The first place I'm gonna start with is what I got from Ikea. So me and Julia actually went to Ikea the other day. My first time ever being there, but I got these little succulents. They're just 3 sets of like basic succulents. And then I also got the Ikea lac floating shelf thing. So it's just the lac shelf. I got that in white. And honestly, it was pretty cheap. Like, it was cheaper than I expected it to be. It was only like, my total was only like $20. So I got both of that for $20. And then the next thing I got is from Five and Below. So I got these little shelves, and I actually have the box. This is what the box come in. They're supposed to actually look like that. But my grandpa came over today, and I had him put some hooks on it. So as you can see, it's supposed to be like this. I don't know if it's too bright. Hold on. That's a little bit better. But as you can see, the shelf is supposed to be like this. But you can see that he put the hooks on wrong. So instead, I'm just going to flip it upside down. So instead of it being like this, it's gonna be like that, and then it'll just be a flat shelf. But anyways, I got him to put these gold hooks on there for jewelry because I was like, well, this will be really good for like necklaces and stuff. So yeah, I got him to do these 2, and I'm just gonna stack them like that, and then I'll have my jewelry on that. And then now I'm going to talk about what I got from Amazon. So pretty much all the stuff that I'm about to show you now I got from Amazon. So I got this little mirror, and I'm actually super happy I didn't get a mirror because I had been looking for a mirror and I completely forgot that I ordered one off of Amazon. So I'm so happy I didn't like go buy another one. But my mirror is blue, and obviously the theme of my room is not blue, so I needed to get a new mirror. Also, I shattered the mirror, which is really bad luck, so pray for me, you guys. But yeah, I got this little mirror. It has like this like sticker thing, so it looks kind of scratchy, but it's not. And then you put batteries in it. So yeah, this one was actually pretty cheap. And then yeah, it just looks like this, super cute, and also lights up, so that's gonna be fun. And then I could put like whatever I want in there. And the next thing I got was this jewelry organizer because I wanted something that I could like organize my jewelry, but not like, I want only my like cute jewelry out on display, if that makes sense. But now I have so much room for jewelry that you guys will see in a minute, but I just like don't even know what I'm gonna do with all my jewelry because at this point I have so many things to like organize my jewelry. It's insane. But this is just kind of what it looks like. It's super big, and you can put stuff in each little pocket. And I was thinking that I could put like my piercing stuff as well as like my tongue rings, like my ear piercings, my bracelets, rings, anything I want that I just don't want out, I could put in this. So yeah, I got this. It's really big, and I'm just gonna hang this up in my closet. Okay, don't mind, I'm using my picture to cover this up. But then I got this little shoe rack. It just looks like that. I haven't assembled it yet, so yeah, but I got a shoe rack for my other closet. And then I got this jewelry organizer because I wanted something really cute and like statement, but I did not think it was this big. You guys see how big this is? Yeah, so I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, basically it looks like that. It's just like 3 rings, but it's so big, and it has this like little plate right here. It's really cute, but like I said, it's just huge, and I honestly don't know where I'm gonna put this. So I don't know, I didn't think it was that big. Anyways, that is everything that I got for my room, and that's pretty much the last stuff that I feel like I'm going to actually be getting, unless I order like a few little minor things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'm just gonna put it all together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But I think this is gonna be like my last like video in my like redo my room series. So after this will probably become my room tour, but it probably won't be right away because although I've got like everything that I want, I still gotta like deep clean still. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna wait for my mom, and then she's gonna come in here and help me put up my shelf. I'm really excited. Okay, so little TMI, but my mom not gonna be able to help me right this second because she's having surgery tomorrow. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just start filling up my little earring rack thing. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, so we just got done. We put up my shoe rack and we put up these little shelves. I put them here and here. Yes, this one's looks a little uneven. It's not though, we fixed it. It looks uneven, but promise, my house is just slanted. But yeah, so I'm gonna get another set of these little, sorry for the dogs, but I'm gonna get another set of these little Ikea fake succulents. And like I have 3 on that side, I'm gonna put 3 exact ones on that side. And then yeah, so that's how it's gonna be. And then for right now, I just have that, and then I'll show you guys. Right now I just have that, but I'm gonna probably put a fake succulent in it because right now it just has some like cheap lights in there, and then that's just like some flowers that I got. And then I have my plaque, and then I have pictures of me and Cam and some leaves. And then I think I'm gonna drape some of my extra leaves from over here on the bottom or like over top, I don't know. And then right here I think I'm gonna get 2 picture frames that say like sleep tight or something like that. And then my mom thinks I should put that whiteboard underneath. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Anyways, right now I'm going through and I'm going to be hanging up my jewelry and put short jewelry on that side and long jewelry on this side. So yeah. It's now Sunday and I filmed this video on like Thursday or Friday. I think it was Friday. But anyways, it's now a few days later like I said, and I'm doing my outro now. But basically my room's kind of getting there. I have to just get more succulents, and I might honestly be having to get a new comforter because Obi has already destroyed this comforter and the covers for my pillows and even my new sheets that I literally just got. She like rips holes in everything. But I'm trying to wait until she gets spayed to figure out what I'm gonna do about that situation. But yeah, she's been really naughty lately and like tearing up everything. So yeah, but I'm hoping that once she gets spayed that type of behavior will like get better or stop. But I need to maybe get a new comforter because mine looks so bad, but I'm just debating if I want to spend the money or if I just am like gonna leave it because she tears it up anyway, so might as well just keep it if she's gonna continue to tear it up, you know? But I need to do that, and then I need to finally put together my other closet, and then like just like a few little things here and there. But once I get everything done, then I'll finally do my room tour. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!